Losing weight is a common goal for many individuals seeking to improve their overall health and well-being. While there are numerous approaches to weight loss, it is crucial to adopt sustainable and evidence-based remedies. In this article, we will discuss 7 proven remedies that can help you shed those extra pounds. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can achieve long-term weight loss and maintain a healthier body. Caloric deficit. Creating a caloric deficit is the fundamental principle of weight loss. By consuming fewer calories than your body needs, you force it to utilize stored fat for energy. Determine your daily caloric requirements based on your age, gender, weight, and activity level, and then aim to consume 500-1000 calories less per day. This gradual approach promotes sustainable weight loss and prevents drastic metabolic adaptations. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for weight loss. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that provide satiety and nourishment. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages high in calories. Portion control is also crucial, as even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity plays a vital role in weight loss. Engage in a combination of aerobic exercises, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming, and strength training exercises to build lean muscle mass. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week and 2 or more days of strength training. Exercise not only burns calories but also boosts your metabolism and improves overall fitness. Adequate hydration. Water is often overlooked in weight loss strategies, but it is a powerful tool. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps suppress appetite, boosts metabolism, and aids in the breakdown of fat. Replace sugary beverages with water, and aim to consume at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, per day. Additionally, consuming water before meals can promote a feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating can significantly impact weight loss efforts. Slow down while eating, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This practice helps prevent overeating and allows you to enjoy your meals more fully. Avoid distractions such as TV or smartphones during meal times, as they can lead to mindless eating. Quality sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Lack of sleep disrupts hormonal balance, leading to increased appetite and cravings, particularly for high-calorie foods. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure a comfortable sleep environment to promote optimal rest. Stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to weight gain and hinder weight loss efforts. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal region. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy. Prioritizing self-care and finding healthy ways to manage stress can support your weight loss journey. Conclusion. Losing weight requires a holistic approach that combines various proven remedies. By creating a caloric deficit through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mindful eating, you can achieve sustainable weight loss. Adequate hydration, quality sleep, and effective stress management further enhance your efforts. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Embrace these remedies as part of a long-term lifestyle change, and you will be well on your way to achieving and maintaining a healthier weight and overall